So if you want to learn a little bit more about how you can make money with passive income using P2P lending, stick around. Hi, my name is Philippe from Unlimiting Me. Today we are going to talk a little about investment. So if you want to learn a little bit more about how you can make money with passive income using P2P lending, stick around. Peerberry was founded back in 2017 and is backed by the company called Adventures Group and has then since earned investors more than 5 million euros back in return. This is with a total loan amount of over 400 million euros. Anyone inside of Europe and also UK are able to open an account at Peerberry. To open an account at that place, the first one is obviously you have to be above 18 years old. The next thing is that you must own an European bank account in your name, even if you don't reside inside. So at Peerberry, they promise you that with moderate risk, you can earn up to 12% interest annually. One thing you should be aware of on every P2P platform you use is that when you're investing in unsecured consumer loans, there's a chance that the loan will default. This means that the consumer or the borrower won't be able to pay you back in any way, and some of them actually just try to evade the loan at any cost. Now at Peerberry, they have something called the buyback guarantee. And since Peerberry is actually backed by the giant company called Adventures Group, your loan is actually secured by Adventures Group, this means that if the consumer can't repay you in any way, Adventures Group will actually go in and cover your interest and your investment for you, so you won't lose any money. Besides having the buyback guarantee, Peerberry also offers something called the group guarantee. Now let's take a look at my account at Peerberry, which I recently opened just to make this video for you guys. If we scroll down here, we will see something called loan originators. The first one I was talking about is the one called Adventures Group. Adventures Group is the main partner at Peerberry. They are also the main investor at Peerberry. Now, when we check on the loan originators, we can actually see there's something called a buyback guarantee and a group guarantee. When a loan originator also has the group guarantee, you are actually secured by all of the other loan originators. This means if something like, let's say this one, Credit Plus, if it goes bankruptcy and you wouldn't be able to get your money, since it's a part of the group guarantee, all of the other groups has to buy your loan back and cover your debt for them. By using the group guarantee, first off, your money and your investment is secured by this, but also the loan originators will be able to get way more investments since they are covering each other up. So it's actually a pretty beneficial thing to do for all the originators, also for the investor. Now, this is probably why you guys are here. I opened this account about 2 months ago, and I started just putting in a little bit of cash and just checking out the site. And then I invested 10,000 euros. And now I want to show you guys how far 10,000 euros are getting me every month. So I can press here on the statement and see since the 1st of February until the 20th of February, that was yesterday, I have earned 63 euros with my 10,000 euros investment. I'm counting on receiving about 80 euros this month, maybe a little bit more. And that is not 12% as they promised, but it is pretty damn close. Another good thing about this is I don't have to do anything for this money. This is almost a day's wages at some countries, And you can also make this earning yourself by just investing a little. Okay, let's take a look at the numbers. So according to PeerBarrier, you will earn about 12% in interest rates. Currently I haven't been earning that, I've been closer to 10%, but I'll make a video about that calculation later on. Let's just assume that you'll get the 12% that they promise. Let's say that you invest 500 euros and you'll do that every month for the next 10 years. The graph here will show your interest rates, how they will grow, your starting amount and your total contributions. Now, this graph doesn't actually show anything if you don't know how to read it, but the numbers below here are more interesting. So the first year you will have an interest of 383 euros or dollars, whatever you put in the currency. The interesting thing is that after the 10th year you will earn 11,000 euros every year. That's almost 1,000 euro every month. And this is only with a contribution of 500 euros monthly. What we actually can see is that you will have contributed 60,500 euros at the end of the 10th year, and on your balance you will actually have 112,000 euros. So your money has almost doubled at the time and you have a nice little saving there. Okay, so at this point I've shown you how much money you can earn with as little as 500 euros investment monthly. The next thing I want to show you is my own estimated investment. Remember, I already put in the first 10,000 euros and I'm counting on keeping them in there for the next 30 years unless something happens. I also put in around 500 euros monthly. So let's take a look if I have 12% interest also. So my yearly interest almost pays me 1,500 euros on a yearly basis on this year. The next year, as you can see, I have almost doubled it. The third year I have actually doubled whatever I receive, and I'll be receiving 3,452 euros on a yearly basis. Now, I'm not in for the short run, but let's take a look at my estimate for 30 years. So as you can see down here, after 30 years of 500 euros investment monthly, I will be earning 195,000 euros on a yearly basis. Now that's enough for me to retire. And this is actually only on the PeerBarrier website. And this is not one of my main investments, but I wanted to share this with you guys. To be able to make an investment, you of course have to just make a deposit. All the information needed to make a deposit at their bank account is placed up here. And the customer service is actually always pretty nice and will always help you making a deposit. Usually it takes me less than 2 days to get my deposit working, and once it's deposited, you have available currency for investment over here. Now I have saved 33 euros just to show you how to make an investment at this point. So when you're going to make an investment, you of course press the invest button, and then you come over to the manual investment section. At this point you will have some different options to choose from how you want to place your investment. I would always suggest to switch on the group guarantee, since the group guarantee secures your loan in a right time scale. Now, for the rest of the stuff down here, it's actually not that important. When you're just starting out, at some point you might have some preferences, but when you're just starting out, you can just leave them all off just to keep the group guarantee on. And you'll have all the available loans you can invest in over here. The quick way to do it is just pressing over here and just invest your desired amount of money. But we're going to take a look at this loan side. So the investment rate here is 11.5, but for me it will be plus 0.5% since I have the silver membership, since I have about 10,000 euros in here. There's the total amount that the customer wants to borrow and the remaining principal amount of euros that is needed before the investment can start. Down here you will have some basic information about the borrower, which is he's from Almaty, he's in Kazakhstan, 27 years old, you know, just the basic stuff, and when the loan is paid out and when it is considered to be completed. Now this is a leasing loan, so it's secured by a mortgage in the car, and you can always see the loan to value percentage over here, which means if you loan, like if you have a car that's 10,000 euros worth, he's going to loan 9,000 euros. It's a decent way to place the car as a security. Now we'll just make a quick short investment over here. Of course you have to do your due diligence every time, and I have read this, so I'm not going to explain this to you. And I only have like the 33 euros I have saved up, I'll just save for you guys. So yeah, I could show you how to do this. And then you just press invest. Over here you can see all my investments, and it's actually popping up over here. As you can see, just yesterday I invested 600 euros in another leasing contract. So this is just a minor loan I just made today. And you can see I have added the 0.5% interest rate, and you'll be able to track your loan over here. So this is all I have for you today, guys. If you want to know more about Peerberry, if you have any questions, just comment below. If you want to see more videos about investing and how to earn more via passive income, like, subscribe, it keeps me going. Then I know what you guys want to see, and if you have any questions or topics, please just ask me and I will get around them at the time. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye.